Saily Esim review tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at this platform which is called Saily. They offer us a wide range of features we can interact with. And if you want to use this platform as your eSIM provider, you can find the link in the description. In this case, you'll get the best possible prices and options. A lot of countries covered with Saily. And how does it work? So all you need to do is to select the necessary plan, then install your eSIM, and then you can just simply activate your plan before trip. As you can see, all the steps are quite simple and it's really affordable, easy to use, and we can avoid roaming costs with the help of Saily. And we can easily use one eSIM for travel. So if we're going to discover the destinations, we can find that they have a lot of countries covered, more than 150 countries, which is quite good. You can find all the countries right up here. So you can just simply find the necessary one, and then we can discover the prices. So in order to interact with Saily, you will need to download the app. So you can click on download app in the right top corner, and after that you can find it with App Store, Google Pay, or you can just simply scan the QR code, which is not that bad at all. But you can click on App Store, for example, and after that we'll find this link on the App Store, of course, where you can just simply download the app. As you can see, nothing really hard. So let's now discover the prices and plans. So for example, let's say that we want to travel to maybe to France. So let's select this country right up here, and we can see that we can choose like the amount of data, and also we can choose the amount of days. So for 1 gigabyte for 7 days, we have like $4, $9 here, $5 here, like 5 gigabytes here for $12, 20 gigabytes for $32, and so on. So you can also select the necessary plan, click on go to checkout, and on the next page here we can just simply add the payment method, and then we can just buy our plan. So we can also like even use it with the desktop. As you can see, nothing really hard. So is it worth using? I can definitely say yes. Can I recommend it? Yes, because even it was created by creators of NordVPN, which is really good. So don't forget about the link in the description, and I wish you a very good day. Use Saily and enjoy the life. Goodbye.